Hey guys, hungergamesking here. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the 2018 Nissan Leaf from Matchbox. Now, this is from the series Matchbox Road Trip. And I really love the design of this car. It's a lot better than the old design that I'll have later on in this video. But let's just get right into the opening so I can show you guys what the car has to offer. This is the Nissan Leaf. It has a unique design. This is the second generation. So it's a lot different than the first generation in terms of styling. The taillights are different, the headlights are different, and the overall styling is just different and something that I guess Nissan fans aren't really used to. But here is the old styling of the Nissan Leaf. It's from 2011. This is a Tomica version, so it's not a Matchbox version, so it doesn't have the same Matchbox styling, but it's still a good representation of what the Nissan Leaf used to look like versus what it looks like now. So here is both of the cars side by side. You can see that both of them have really different styling. So here is the new Nissan Leaf, the one that I'm doing the video on. It's nice. It's really sleek designing and looks more of a commuter car. Looks more of something that you would want to drive around. Because I don't know about you, but I found the Nissan Leaf styling ugly for the first generation, but it looks a lot better now. And the good thing about it is that it's only $1 on Amazon, and it's probably cheaper anywhere else. But the catch is that it's $6 shipping on Amazon, so I would not recommend getting it from Amazon because you're going to be paying $7 for a small car. But you can get it from Walmart or Target or your local toy shop, because they'll probably have it for cheaper. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I have a lot more of these cars coming, so watch out for those. I haven't been uploading lately because I've been busy with high school applications, and I've been trying to get into a good private high school around my area. But I'll make sure to post a lot more now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.